In a TVJ News follow-up, Mayor of Port Antonio Paul Thompson says the Portland Municipal Corporation is waiting on material to clear the drains in the town. He was responding to concerns from citizens that the drains have not been cleaned in light of the start of what's predicted to be an active hurricane season. Mr. Thompson says in addition to the work which will be done, arrangements have been made with the National Solid Waste Management Authority (NSWMA) for the collection of plastic containers.
Knew of the problem and we have done our estimate. Procurement was done. It's just for us to get the material to commence the work now. What I've done so far, I've called the NSWMA and we have made arrangement for them to place garbage receptacles along the corridor. So if you notice that we try to dispose of the bottles in the receptacles, and I have someone who emptied the receptacle right throughout the day.